Okay, so ordered the JB4 for my car from ECS Tuning. Wasn't even supposed to be here yet. Got home, saw the package, got excited, opened it up, and it's a JB4 for a frickin' N54 BMW. This is exactly the tuner I had in my 335 years ago. What the hell? Now I gotta ship this back, get the right one, wait even longer. What a frickin' nightmare. Yep. N54. Okay, cool, man. Thanks, ECS Tuning. This is absolutely unbelievable. They sent me the same damn one again for a N54 BMW. The same damn one. Now I gotta wait. Now I gotta wait for the right one to come again. And who knows if it's even gonna be right the third time. Unreal. By the time it comes, it's gonna be 3 weeks. Let's see if they sent the right one this time. Maybe third time's a charm. There we go. Fucking finally. Thank the Lord. Fuck, man. Finally. Almost a month later. ECS Tuning. I don't know what you guys are doing in your sales department, but you figure that shit out. They did give us 20% off though at the end of the day, so can't complain. Right. Put that bitch in tomorrow. So first things first, before we actually install the tuner into the car, I gotta put the JB4 Bluetooth Connect kit. I gotta hook that up to the tuner. So I gotta open the actual tuner module up and do a little wiring. So this is what the JB4 for Mercedes looks like. I think this is the second generation JB4. Comes with the aluminum case already, the billet aluminum instead of plastic. So let's get to it. casing. Not a big fan of this. Having to open up a tuner to do this. I don't know why they don't just sell it already made, even if they gotta charge extra. Who cares? No one wants to be opening up the tuner. I know I don't. So that's what the JB4 with the JB4 Connect kit looks like. I just gotta throw it into the car. So we just use these 4 connections. This one doesn't get used in the C43, and then this goes to the OBD connector in the cab. So first things first, let's get the harness fished through and the unit into its home. So unlock these. Unlock this so we can lift up and get the unit by the brake fluid reservoir. I guess we'll mount it back here somewhere. I think I'll zip tie it to that, to the crossbar. Alright, let's get to it.